Today, we are counting down 15 brand new Turkish series you need to see. Some will thrill you, some will make you laugh, and some are full of mystery. These are the shows everyone in Turkey is talking about. Stick around till the end because a few surprises will blow your mind. Number 1. Sekizinci Aile, the Eighth Family. Sekizinci Aile tells the story of the Basmacıgil family, a textile dynasty that unexpectedly rises to global power after inventing bulletproof thermal underwear. What begins as a strange but brilliant business idea turns them into one of the most influential families in the world. As their wealth and fame grow, so do their personal conflicts and rivalries. The father, Erol Basmacıgil, tries to keep control, but he often realizes that the real threat to the family comes from within. Each sibling struggles with ambition, jealousy, and the pressure of living in a powerful dynasty. The series mixes comedy and drama to show how success can both unite and divide people. While it has many funny and absurd moments, it also explores serious themes like loyalty, identity, and the cost of power. The show highlights how money and influence can change relationships. It presents the family's rise not just as a success story, but as a test of their values. By the end, it becomes clear that staying together is harder than becoming powerful. Number 2. Sun Kareyi. Sun Kareyi is about a police detective named Sare Baykal who works in the homicide department. She is smart and brave, but she is also dealing with emotional and psychological struggles from her past. Because of a previous case, she is not fully trusted and must work under supervision. One day, a woman's dead body is found in an old fun fair, and Sare is assigned to investigate the case. At the crime scene, strange photographs are discovered, which become very important clues. During the investigation, Sare meets Atlas Demiroglu, a fashion photographer who seems connected to the mystery. As she continues searching for the truth, she realizes that nothing is as simple as it looks. The case slowly becomes more complicated and dangerous. Secrets from the past start coming out, and even Sare's own memories are questioned. She must face her fears and stay strong to solve the crime. The story mixes crime, mystery, and psychological. In the end, it shows how the human mind can be both powerful and fragile. Number 3. Vicdansiz. Vicdansiz is a 2025 Turkish psychological mystery drama starring Ayça Ayşin Turan, released on Todd in December 2025. The story follows Deniz, a cold and ambitious finance expert whose life appears perfect, with a rising career and a strategic relationship with his boss's daughter, Nilufar. However, his heart belongs to Vicdan, a woman he sees as his true love. After a tragic car accident, Vicdan suddenly disappears, and shockingly, no one else remembers she ever existed. There are no records, no witnesses, and no proof she was part of his life. As Deniz desperately searches for answers, he begins to question his own sanity and the nature of reality. The series explores themes of love, memory, conscience, and moral conflict, constantly blurring the line between truth and illusion. Season 1 ran for 10 episodes and ended in January 2026, leaving viewers with unresolved mysteries. Reviews have been generally positive. Many viewers appreciate the intriguing, only one person remembers concept and the psychological tension. However, some critics mention slower pacing and familiar drama tropes. Overall, Vicdansiz is considered an engaging romantic mystery that has sparked discussion and anticipation for a possible second season. Number 4. Dr. Başka Hayatta. Inspired by the Italian hit Doc, the series tells a gripping story about memory, fate, and second chances. At the center is Professor Dr. Inan Kural, played by Ibrahim Chelikkol, a respected chief physician whose life changes overnight. After surviving a brutal attack, Inan wakes up having lost 12 years of his memories. The hospital he once ruled feels foreign, and the people around him are strangers with hidden emotions. He slowly realizes that the man he became is far from the person he once dreamed of being. Relationships are broken, truths are buried, and his own reflection feels unfamiliar. Forced to start from zero, Inan questions not only his past but the meaning of who he is now. As he returns to medicine, instinct replaces memory, and conscience guides his decisions. Every patient brings him closer to the truth he cannot remember. This second life offers him a rare chance to choose a better path. What truly makes Dr. Bashka Hayatta extraordinary is its stellar cast, whose performances bring every emotion and conflict to life. Ibrahim Chelikkol delivers a deeply nuanced and emotionally charged portrayal of a man confronting his lost past, while Sila Turkoglu plays Selif, the central figure in Inan's emotional journey, adding romantic tension and heart-wrenching drama. The story creates a powerful journey about identity, responsibility, and the courage to begin again, making every heartbreak, triumph, and revelation feel intensely real. Number 5. Yeralty, Under the Ground. Haider Ali's life shatters the night his family is brutally murdered. Burning with rage, he chooses vengeance over forgiveness, landing behind cold prison walls. Inside, he sinks into Turkey's deadliest underground cartel, where power is carved from blood. Every hardship sharpens him, turning his pain into a lethal weapon. 3 merciless years pass, and at last, freedom beckons. But fate has a darker torment in store. The woman he loves is now claimed by the man he once trusted most. Desire turns into poison, loyalty fractures, and old scars bleed anew. Haider is swept into a tempest where betrayal and longing collide. Every choice carries a cost, and no one emerges unbroken. In this world, love and vengeance dance a dangerous, unforgiving waltz. Yeralty is a gripping saga of forbidden love, ruthless revenge, and destiny's cruel games. Number 6. Kuruluş Orhan. Kuruluş Orhan continues the Ottoman story after Usman Bey, focusing on Orhan Bey, who carries his father's legacy forward. The series shows Orhan's struggle to step out of Usman's shadow and prove himself as a true leader, not just a warrior. The best thing I liked about this series is its cast, where we see actresses like Alina Bose, who's playing the role of Princess Asporka, Shukru Ozildiz, Flavius, or Vasilius, a Byzantine commander opposing Orhan, Baris Faleh, who helps Orhan with his wisdom. Major themes include the conquest of Bursa, the drama highlights strategy, war councils, betrayals, and political alliances as Orhan builds a stronger state. Many viewers praise the action scenes. Number 7. Bereketli Topraklar. In the city of Adana, 2 wealthy families, the Bereketoglu's and the Karahanlis, have lived in an uneasy peace for 20 years. That peace began after a tragic fire killed Rija Bereketoglu, a loss that his son Omar later avenged, forcing both families to stop fighting, at least on the surface. Now, when Saleh Bereketoglu returns home and falls in love with Fatma Karahanli, the granddaughter of their rivals, the past begins to rise again. Old wounds reopen, and whispers of revenge return to the city. Omar, the powerful yet fair leader of the Bereketoglu family, is respected by the people but feared by his enemies. He stands for justice, protecting the poor and punishing the corrupt, but his life is built on painful secrets. Into this tense world arrives Naveen, a brave prosecutor searching for answers about her fiancé's mysterious death. Her investigation leads her straight into Adana's dark world of power and crime, and to Omar himself. As Naveen and Omar grow closer, love and duty begin to clash. Their connection could bring peace to Adana or start the city's most dangerous war once again. Number 8. Kosu Anatomisi, The Graft. Kosu Anatomisi is a gripping crime drama that follows the life of Ozan, a young and idealistic emergency room doctor whose world changes forever when he unexpectedly crosses paths with Kenan, one of Turkey's most powerful underground crime lords. Drawn into a dark and dangerous world, Ozan's values and beliefs are tested as both he and Kenan undergo profound transformations. Their lives become deeply intertwined, blurring the line between good and evil, hope and despair. Filled with action, drama, and suspense, the series takes viewers on an intense journey into the anatomy of chaos itself. Number 9. Arafta. Set against the breathtaking landscapes of Turkey, Arafta tells a gripping story of revenge, fate, and forbidden love. Atesh is a man shaped by a painful childhood, carrying scars that have turned into burning rage. After years away, he returns with one purpose: to destroy the family that ruined his life. But his revenge is not violent, it is calculated and cruel. He binds himself to Mirjan, the innocent daughter of his enemy, through a forced marriage lasting 187 days. Mirjan's life is shattered overnight, torn away from her future and from Nazir, the man she was meant to marry. Trapped in a war she never chose, she becomes a pawn in Atesh's revenge. Atesh believes Mirjan is merely a tool, a way to inflict pain. Yet her strength, vulnerability, and quiet defiance begin to challenge everything he believes. As emotions blur, anger slowly gives way to desire and confusion. Love emerges where hatred was meant to rule. In the shadows stands Asl, driven by jealousy and obsession. She manipulates, schemes, and strikes whenever she can to tear Atesh and Mirjan apart. Arafta is a powerful saga where fire can either destroy or transform everything into ashes. Overall, it's a series that deeply resonates with fans of intense and drama, but may frustrate viewers who value subtle writing and realism. Number 10. Glave Gunahalar. Serhat grew up facing heartbreak, his father walked away, and his family lost everything. Through resilience and hard work, he rebuilt his life, becoming a respected and successful businessman guided by integrity and family values. But just when he thought he had everything under control, his world collapsed. His beloved wife Berrak had been keeping a painful secret from him, one that could destroy everything he believed in. Before Serhat could confront her, fate intervened. A tragic accident left Berrak in a coma, taking her secret with her. In the midst of this turmoil, Serhat's path crossed with Zeynep, a fiery young woman from a poor neighborhood, full of spirit and defiance. Though worlds apart, Serhat and Zeynep were drawn together by the storm of betrayal, truth, and destiny. As mistrust clashed with undeniable attraction, they found themselves torn between duty and desire. Zeynep became the light that challenged Serhat's pain, while Serhat was the man who tested Zeynep's courage. This is not just a tale of love, but of betrayal, hidden truths, and the strength to rebuild. Because sometimes, the deepest wounds lead to the most unexpected beginnings. Number 11. Bir İttimal Daha Var, Bet Your Life. Bet Your Life is a Turkish comedy drama that follows the unusual partnership between Isa, a once legendary sports betting columnist whose luck and life have hit rock bottom, and Refik, a wealthy businessman who is, unfortunately, dead. After losing his job and making dangerous enemies due to failed predictions, Isa encounters the ghost of Refik, who offers him a shot at redemption. Refik has unfinished business. He wants Isa to help solve his own murder. Together, they form a reluctant, oddball duo, Isa, skeptical and desperate, and Refik, commanding and snobbish even in death. As they delve into the mystery behind Refik's death, Isa uncovers dark secrets, navigates through quirky small-town characters, and starts to regain his confidence. Set against the scenic backdrop of Urla in the Aegean, the series blends elements of comedy, mystery, and light drama, with themes of second chances, legacy, and unlikely friendship. While some see it as lacking depth and originality, others praise its charm, cultural flavor, and heartfelt storytelling. Number 12. Sustali Jaylan. Jaylan, portrayed by Sumaya Edon, is a young woman forced into marriage at an early age to Nejmi, an unemployed and abusive man. Her life revolves around her son, Yusuf, for whom she endures daily hardships. Secretly, Jaylan attends a vocational health school, hoping to escape her oppressive life upon graduation. To support her family and continue her education, Jaylan works as a housekeeper and caregiver for the mother of Atmacha Bakery, a powerful figure in the criminal underworld. Atmacha leads a double life, balancing his family with his wife, Mutba, and his affair with Dilara. His trusted confidant, Fahad, is a fearless and intelligent man who becomes captivated by Jaylan's resilience. The narrative takes a dark turn when Yusuf falls victim to an organ trafficking ring due to Nejmi's actions, resulting in the loss of a kidney. This tragedy ignites a fire within Jaylan, transforming her from a submissive wife into a determined warrior seeking justice. Fahad becomes her greatest ally in this relentless battle against the criminal world. Number 13. Gozlari Karadenez, Eyes Like the Black Sea. Gozlari Karadenez follows the journey of Azil, a young man from the Black Sea whose life changes after the death of his adoptive mother. He learns that he is in fact the lost heir of the powerful Machari family, one of Istanbul's most feared dynasties. Determined to uncover the truth about his past, Azil steps into the dark world of Istanbul, where family rivalries, betrayals, and hidden secrets await him. His path collides with a forbidden love, pulling him into a dangerous romance that challenges both his heart and destiny. As he struggles to reconcile his Black Sea roots with his new identity, Azil faces a dramatic clash with his brother, who refuses to accept him. The deeper he goes, the more he is torn between power and conscience, love and loyalty. In a world where trust is rare and betrayal lurks at every corner, Azil must decide who he really is, an ordinary boy from the sea, or the rightful heir to a ruthless dynasty. Number 14. Kuma. Jaylan, a kind and dutiful young woman, flees her home when her father attempts to sell her as a second wife, or Kuma, to settle his debts. During her escape, she meets Karan, a wealthy businessman, and they fall in love. However, tragedy strikes when Jaylan is unjustly accused of murdering Karan's brother. To preserve family honor, Karan marries his brother's widow and compels Jaylan to become his second wife, despite her innocence and their prior romantic connection. This arrangement traps Jaylan in a household where she is unwelcome, forcing her to navigate hostility, seek to prove her innocence, and strive to reclaim her place in Karan's heart. Number 15. El Turco. El Turco follows the journey of Balban Hassan, a janissary in the Ottoman army, who is betrayed during the 1683 Battle of Vienna and left for dead. Escaping execution, he ends up wounded in the remote Italian village of Mona, where the locals, especially a woman named Gloria, nurse him back to health. Embraced by the villagers, he settles there and earns the nickname El Turco. Balban falls in love with an Italian girl, Mariana, and becomes a folk hero after organizing a rebellion against the oppressive feudal lords. He trains the villagers in warfare and leads them in a fight for freedom, facing his old enemy, Marco Benedetti di Vicenza. Alongside him, a witch becomes a healer, a homeless girl becomes the first female janissary, and a one-armed blacksmith becomes a crucial ally. Balban's courage and wisdom win the hearts of the people, and after his death, Mona honors him with a yearly festival, La Turcina, celebrating the Turkish hero who once fought for their liberty. From the very first scene, it pulls you in and keeps you there with its beautiful visuals, intense action, and emotional storytelling. Can Yaman really surprised me. His performance had depth, especially in the more emotional moments. The chemistry between him and Greta Ferro felt genuine, and the whole cast delivered. I loved the historical setting mixed with the drama. It gave the series a unique vibe. Definitely binge-worthy, and I'm already looking forward to season 2. And that's a wrap on the 15 must-watch Turkish series just released. Which one caught your attention the most? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any new series recommendations. If you want more hidden gems and trending shows from Turkey, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next countdown.